Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you about how to install and use Singular Unicode font using Google Input Tools. So let's get started. You're going to click on the Start menu and opening the web browser. And the website address is typingkeyboards.com. You can use this website address and you can open this web page. And in this web page, we have several commands and menus, and you can see here. And here I'm going to click on the Google Inputs. In this Google Inputs, we have Google Input Tools Singular. I'm going to click here to open the web page. Here we have a download Google Input Tools Singular, and you can come down, and here you can use Google Input Tools Singular offline installer, and you can read these brief descriptions. And here you can use this software in Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 platform, no matter it is 32 or 64 bits. And you can come down and you can see here we have how to download and install Google Input Tools Singular offline, and these are the steps you have to follow. And here I'm going to explain you the steps in this video. Don't want to worry here. And here we have a Google Input Tools for Windows, and here you can use different platforms. And here we have a 22 languages, more than this singular language, and you can use all of these language. And here we have a button, and you can click on this button and you can download this software. And here we have the web page, and you can click on this download button to download this Google Input Tools Singular offline software. And here is downloading. I'm going to extract this zip folder, extract here, and you can have this folder here, and you can open. And here we have two exe file. First you have to install this Google Input Tools exe file, and the software is being installed. And now finish. You can click on the finish button to close this dialog box. And next you have to install Google Input Single exe files, and finish. And you can close this folder, and you can come to the taskbar and can select the ENG, and you can select the different keyboards here, Tamil, Singular, and the Singular keyboard is installed here. And you can select the Singular keyboard, and you can see here Sing, and you can select the Singular keyboard, and you can use a shortcut key as well. You can select the ALT plus Shift key to switch between these keyboards. And also you can use the Windows plus space bar to select the different keyboards using the shortcut key. Windows plus space bar, then you can select the specific keyboard, and now it is in Singular keyboard. I'm going to open the Word applications and will type a singular words. Here I'm going to type mama, M-A-M-A, mama, and P-A-A-S-A-L, parcel, and Y-A-N-A-W-A-A, Yanova, mama parcel Yanova. Then next one, Magi, and Nama, Shiraj, S-H-I-R-A-J, Shiraj. That's fine. It's pretty cool. Now I want to switch to English keyboard, so I'm going to press Windows plus spacebar. I'm going to select the English keyboard. Then I can type English. That's fine. Like that, you can use your Singular and Tamil and other different keyboards using these Google Input Tools. More than this application, you can use this Singular keyboard anywhere in this Windows 10 platform. Here I'm going to create a new folder and going to type a Singular word. I'm going to press the ALT Shift key to switch this Singular keyboard. I'm going to type here M-E-K, Mac, and I'm going to select this Mac. I'm going to press the down arrow. I'm going to select this Mac. I'm going to press the space bar and T-E-K-S, text. So that's fine. I'm going to hit the enter key. That's fine. Like that, you can use this Singular keyboard anywhere in this Windows 10, 7 and other platforms, and you can enjoy the keyboards. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the ring bell. Then you will be get notified to my brand new videos. Thank you very much, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.